All good, ready when you are.
We have suffered the nut on my aerial came loose on my UHF, so that was wobbling around, not real good. So I just hit it with some alcohol, Loctite, and tightened it up to the approved torque.
He's our meter reader for how rough the road is. If it doesn't stop this, it's getting too rough. If they go thick, it's all right.
That's
Technical.
there you go. We've got through.
Knock on wood.
Yeah, I'm not going to say it.
No, don't say it.
We've still got 3 hours to go. In the morning of the 11th of the 8th, 2021.
Yep.
And here we go on the Gibb.
First of 600k worth of dirt.
I'm over it already.
They say this ends the worst, so
Dodge the big house bricks, drive to conditions, lights on, say a good prayer to the tyre gods, and here we go.
this stop had a wonderful billabong and swimming hole, much needed after a hot day driving on the Unsealed road.
Morning from Ellenbrae Station on the Gibb River Road. This is day 2. Ellenbrae Station overnight on our first night on the Gibb. Did about 170 odd kilometres. Lovely stay here. So we've come down the road 170k. We're heading off today for, what's the next stop?
Mount Barnett.
Station. So we're going to Mount Barnett Station today. That should be about 200 kilometres, and that should be
3 hours.
3 hours, and that's about the Gibb River Road broken in half.
Lovely camp area, like camp kitchen, bathrooms, showers, but there's no fresh water and there's no power here, which is fine. But there's a lovely watering hole, billabong that you can go and have a swim in.
Refreshingly cool, beautiful
Sandy
showers. It's a cool vibe. Beautiful boab trees, and you can see all the gummies down there where the river is. It's absolutely beautiful spot here. So Mount Barnett Station, pretty cool place. So we're all set up. We've got 2 nights here. Mike and I are going to do a gorge walk tomorrow, but for now, while I've still got a little bit of light, can have a little look around these rocks. Beautiful formations, and we have a hint that we might find some artwork on the track tomorrow. Let's come round, and under this tree there's a bower. I don't know what bower bird it is, but a bower bird, an Australian bird, and the males just hang out. They make this intricate little bower, a little archway of sticks, and then depending on the species they decorate it with ornaments that they find for them. And this one has got white bones, there's vertebrae, rib bones, and a whole packet of white snail shells. So there he goes. Didn't know I was here. Anyway, I'll leave him be. Sorry, bud, we're out of here. Quite a drab bird, actually.
Check out the UHF aerial on the front. We started calling it our wobble meter to know how corrugated the roads were. Sometimes we had to slow down and crawl through the rough parts. This is the real speed and not slowed down at all. Check out the wobble meter on this road.
Put your note and put your phone in your pocket.
See you later. Across the Manning River, up the Manning Gorge.
Have fun.
See you back 4 hours.
I'll be back here.
See that Rock Island, Leanne?
Yeah.
Well, on the back side of that, there's a thing, there's a little fresh water sitting there yesterday. Michael thinks so.
Yeah.
There's a hole there.
Okay, with that.
You think you can it?
Some of the people were swimming the buckets back and forwards across the river, so there was a bucket waiting for somebody when they arrived.
Michael and I have walked from the campground, swum across the river with a barrel. I think Lee filmed it, it's really good. I haven't done much filming there because we old blokes have got to watch our feet. This is the Manning River, it's Manning Gorge, Manning Falls. And we got a hot tip at the last camp, and a guy we met just said, before you hit the beach, the wind's not bad, before you hit the beach, come on onto this rock ledge, there's 2 green trees. He lied to me, there's 3. And here's some Bradshaw. And it's on both faces, and we'll try and get it and see what we can do for you. That's a beautiful one there on that face. And there's some sort of stylized creature there, and then there's the body, and there's an arm, 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers, and then there's this here. There's 2 feet, and obviously legs, a body. I don't know. Right, so we're taking a swim. The falls are just over there, won't film, there's a bunch of kids. It's a sandy bottom. It's absolutely beautiful. So I'm underneath the waterfall,
Obviously you can see the water, it's backlit, so I don't know if I'll show it. Sandy bottom, there's a rock ledge here. It's an absolutely beautiful swimming pool. It's a little chilly out under here, but I think we'll venture out and have a look in the sunlight, but it's the bomb.
Michael and I have just climbed up the very easy walkway to the top falls, and Mama was nowhere near the edge. Amazing vista. What a beautiful part of the country. What a beautiful part of the world, more importantly. And Michael, you said you don't remember coming up here last time?
I don't think I did, Bert. No.
Well, there you go. That's a first.
It's the first. Didn't even know this was here.
So people say, why are you on the Gibb? If you're just doing the Gibb to do a dirt road, you can do that pretty much anywhere. But if you're on the Gibb, please stop. Please come up to these places. It's well worth the effort. This place is arguably one of the nicest ones we've seen. There we go, in the sun. This is our setup at Silent Grove, and we are heading off to Bell Gorge this morning. We'll see how we go there. It's about a 10k drive, and then it'll be about a 30-minute walk. We'll see how that goes. The road in was pretty ordinary, turning off the Gibb to come into Silent Grove. It was a bit of a shocker, to tell you the truth. It's our last night on the Gibb proper, and tomorrow we're going to exit this campsite, drive back to Gibb, and then we'll hit the next big town here, which is Derby.
That's what I just found.
Tell them.
A black snake. Very, very black snake.
It's a naughty looking snake.
I'll try and get a little bit of film for you, but he's very active.
Yeah, he's really moving. So.
Oh, shit.
Jeebus.
You're not getting any film with him.
Right, we're just packing up. Sun's just popped up. We've been awake for a couple of hours now. We're just outside Bell Gorge. This is Silent Grove campground. Very nice toilets. Got showers. Solar hot water to the showers, which is really good. There's no coverage here, but you're only a 10k drive from Bell Gorge, which is really cool. And we're packing up now because we're going to exit this really nasty bit of road. It's about 20 k's of really heavily corrugated stuff. Get down to the Gibb proper, turn off, go down there, do a bit of bitumen, get back onto the dirt, come off the dirt, onto the bitumen, air up, and then we're in to Derby for 3 nights. It's been really interesting crossing the Gibb. Learned lots about the rig, lots about travelling on the Corro Road. Michael's been invaluable in passing on his information because Michael's done lots and lots of travel on outback roads, or a lot of the classic tracks in Australia. Been quite a journey, and we've learned lots about.
It's been a huge adventure.
Huge adventure.
Thanks so much for watching. We did enjoy our adventure and wish everyone who wants to do the Gibb River Track the best of luck. Please subscribe, like and share our videos. Click on our logo here. Subscribing is that easy. Until next time on the west coast of Australia, take care.